A camel and her baby were talking in the zoo.
Mom, why do we have humps?
Our humps are for storing water so that we can survive in the desert.
Oh, and why are our feet round?
Because they are for comfort and to help us walk in the desert. These legs help us move around in the sand.
Okay, fine. But why are our eyelashes so big?
To protect our eyes from the desert dust and sand. They are protective covers for the eyes.
So we have humps to store water during desert trips, round feet to keep walking in the desert comfortable, and long eyelashes to protect the eyes from dust in the desert. So what are we doing in a zoo?
In life, we often have strengths, skills, and knowledge that are specifically suited to certain situations. Just like the camel's humps, feet, and eyelashes are perfectly adapted for life in the desert. But if we find ourselves in the wrong environment, our skills and strengths can become useless,